Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your carrier supports visual voicemail and your plan includes it. Once done, make sure your Android 9 or newer device is unlocked and connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Now open the phone app, tap the three-dot menu, then Settings, Voicemail, and tap Visual Voicemail. This begins registration with your carrier. If prompted, allow permissions for calls, contacts, and storage, so the app can fetch and display voicemail messages and transcriptions. Next, complete the registration and configuration flow. Follow the carrier prompts, enter your voicemail PIN if the system asks, and wait for the carrier service to register your number. Make sure you grant notification and transcription permissions, then enable auto-download for attachments if you want faster playback. Configure your voicemail greeting. Choose default or record a custom message. Also adjust when the voicemail kicks in and notification behavior, so you won't miss messages. While in Do Not Disturb, finish by testing the setup. Call your number from another line, leave a short voicemail, then confirm the message appears, plays, and shows a transcript. Once verified, make sure delete sync across devices if enabled. If it fails, first toggle airplane mode or network, reboot the phone and clear phone app cache. Make sure phone app updates are installed. If registration or PIN problems persist, contact your carrier. Registration and porting issues are usually carrier side and require their reset or reprovisioning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.